Welcome back, everyone. You are now watching heARTwork Creations, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I created my Valentine's Day inspired look. Before I get started, I'm going to set the mood right with my Bath & Body Works candle in the scent Love, perfect for Valentine's Day. It smells so good and it goes very well with a glass of bubbly, so pour it up and cheers. Oh, and oldies help get you grooving too. And since it is the day of love, it is only right that I use my Phoenix XL palette by Lime Crime, since you know Venus is the goddess of love. My eyes are all primed and ready to go, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with the shade Goddess mixed with Scallop. And that's just gonna create a really nice light pink to go in my crease as a transition color. And here I am using my Morphe M433 brush, just using some windshield wiper motions and kind of just packing on the color, blending. And for my lid color, I'm gonna create a lighter pink shade, mixing Scallop with blank canvas and just kind of packing that on my lid with my MAC 230 brush. And for underneath my eye, I'm going to use that same color combo, but instead using my Morphe M169 brush. And I'm going to take a quick sip before getting into this eyeliner look, which I'm going to be creating using my Suavecita lip grip in Cupid's bow, which is another very appropriate Valentine's Day choice. And of course, I'm using my favorite Simply Simmons spotter brush to create these really sharp, clean lines. I like to start my wings by dragging a line from the center of my eye towards the ending of my brow. And then I draw another little line from the ending of my eye connecting with that line, and then just fill in all that negative space and even it all out. And once I got my wing down, a little trick that I like to do is use the tip of my nail to kind of just really sharpen up that point. And then you're just going to go ahead and follow those same steps on the other side while making sure both sides look as even as possible. Now that my eyeliner is complete, I'm going to apply some of this L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. And let's be real, I'm just using it because it matches my backdrop. I'm going to pair this eye look with some Cara lashes in the style 805. And to apply those, I'm using some dark duo lash glue and a pair of tweezers. I like to drag them towards the inner corner of my eye and just kind of press them together. And once those are on, I'm going to go ahead and apply some more mascara to help blend those in with my natural lashes. And then add a coat to my bottom lashes as well. And I like using my nail to kind of smooth out any clumps. I'm going to take a quick little sip and then apply some blush. I'm using the Scallop eyeshadow from the Venus palette with my Suavecita S104 brush. And for lips, I have two options. Option number one is a nice light pink glossy lip, which I created using Lime Crime's Velvetine lip pencil in the shade Cake, topped with a little bit of MAC's C-Thru lip gloss, and I just kind of dabbed it on. I think this is a good option if you have yourself a Valentine and you don't want to get your lips all messy, if you know what I mean. And it also balances out the eye look real nice. And option number two is a little more of a bold color, and this one is Suavecita's lip grip in Cupid's bow, the same color that I used for the eyeliner, so that'll really help it pop. This is a good option if you're planning on celebrating Valentine's Day with your friends, maybe going out for some drinks, or maybe even trying to get yourself a little last minute Valentine. Either way, this color is poppin', bomb, and it's smudge proof too. And once you decide what lip color you want to go with, I highly suggest you spray yourself with your favorite perfume. Mine is currently the We Perfume by Juicy Couture. So I'm going to spray myself nice and evenly all over. And we are ready to go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a lovely love day. And please be sure to like and subscribe and give me any feedback down below. Thank you.